You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating word. Yes, how do you pronounce it? Not plumbed or plumbed. Plumbed. Pronounced plumbed. Yes, the B is silent. It's from the verb to plumb, which does have a silent B. Or plumbing, plumber, plumbed, plumbed, plumbed. How to pronounce in English? How did you pronounce it? How would have you pronounced it? Let me know in the comments. Plumbed, English pronunciation, and now you know, plumbed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.